Hey guys, it's Steve with WireCare. Do you need the best quality heat shrink customized for your logo or brand? Follow along with this tutorial to see just how easy it is to customize your heat shrink tubing with WireCare's heat shrink printing service. It'll launch you right onto the page where you begin. If you have any questions about heat shrink printing throughout the process, select the heat shrink printing guide at the bottom of the page. It gives you information about image sizes and colors, the printing height guide, file format, ink colors, heat shrink colors, and shrink ratio. On this first page is where you choose your tubing. You start by selecting the tubing diameter, length, shrink ratio, and color you'd like your artwork and/or text printed on. Then hit the next button to move on to the text and artwork section. The following screen is where you submit text, choose art from the WireCare image library, or submit your own art uploaded in a JPEG or PNG file format. Here are the things you need to know when uploading your own images. 1. You need to provide a high quality image that is minimally 300 dpi. Anything 200 dpi or less could be blurry and pixelated when printed. 2. Upload a black and white version of your JPEG or PNG image. This could be a company logo or other custom artwork. Our single color printing system recognizes black as the area to print in your chosen color. That being said, black and white is the only color format that can be used for image submissions. If you happen to upload a color image, no worries. Our system will automatically change it to black and white. Word of caution here though. If you do send in a color image and it's automatically changed to black and white, there still may be unexpected results. You can fine-tune how your color image will look, but depending on the amount of colors or gradients, your image may not display the way you want it to. When you submit an image in the correct black and white format, the portion of the image that is black will be replaced with the print color you choose. If you don't have your own artwork, you can also choose from our generous library of stock images. Just pick the Add Art button to access our images. Click on an image you would like to appear on your heat shrink, then the Add Image button. 3. If you would like to add text, hit the Add Text button. In the rectangular box that says Text, type the message you would like to appear on your heat shrink. You can pick different fonts, print styles, and text orientation. 4. Arrange and rotate your text, stock art, or submitted image if needed, dragging it by the handles around the text or image. If you accidentally move your art or text outside of the print area, it will disappear from the heat shrink tube on screen. After you have set up your text and/or image, hit Next. You will be launched to the screen where you finalize your purchase. It is here where you're asked to pick the heat shrink quantity you need. It's also here where your total cost is calculated and you provide any order instructions before adding the selection to your cart. Just remember, when you select the Add to Cart button, this means you've approved the design as it appears on screen. Now that you know how to use WireCare's heat shrink printing services, it's time to design your own. The link to the WireCare heat shrink printing design program is in the video description below. For more tutorials and videos, check out WireCare University at WireCare's YouTube page.